IFT Hair Science.
The best hairline artist.
Hi friends, so I'm from Kerala. मेरा नाम शंकर लाल है. मैं 4-5 साल से बॉल्डनेस का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. बहुत यूट्यूब और फेसबुक और गूगल पे बहुत सर्च किया और IFT क्लिनिक का फोटोज रिजल्ट्स तो नेचुरल लुकिंग हेयरलाइन लग रहा है. सबसे और क्लिनिक से भी इससे बहुत नेचुरल लग रहा है, इसलिए मैं भी इधर से करवाना चाहता हूँ. आज मेरा हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट का सर्जरी हो रहा है, तो we'll wait and see the result. Thanks. Just sharing my experience about hair transplant here at IFT. I came a couple of days ago and everything went smoothly. They sent for a blood test and the blood test result came out nice. So they scheduled the surgery for the next day. And overall the hygiene in the clinic is quite good. And the doctor suggested that I do 2,800 grafts. And everything went smoothly. It took around 3-4 hours, I guess. And they provided free food and accommodation here at the clinic. And they're also giving free medicine for 5 days. And they have given all the instructions. I've rented a room nearby, and I'll be coming here frequently for the head wash. So pretty happy so far with everything. So hopefully the results will come out nice. And if you also want to do a graft, you can contact IFT.